Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project enabling industrial sensors for edge computing using EdgeX, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project demonstrates the functionality of EdgeX framework by using an industrial-grade temperature and humidity sensor. The objective of this project is to recover sensor data on EdgeX microservices running in the IIoT gateway, that is Raspberry Pi in our case. After processing, sensor data is sent to the cloud. Also, LEDs are activated whenever the sensor readings crosses a threshold value, that is, when temperature goes beyond or below a specific value. The components used are Raspberry Pi 4 to run EdgeX microservices, SHT20 industrial grade sensor to get temperature and humidity, USB to RS485 converter to interface SHT20 sensor, 2 LEDs to indicate if temperature goes beyond or below a specific value, 2 resistors to interface LEDs and some jumper wires. Let us see the demonstration of this project. Sensor data is sensed by EdgeX microservices and the values are sent to IBM IIoT cloud application. You can see that on the mobile phone. Currently, the temperature is 30 degrees. You can see 2 LEDs. If the temperature is less than 28 degree, blue LED will turn on automatically. And if the temperature greater than 30 degree, red LED will turn on. In between 28 to 30 degrees, no LED will be on. Now the temperature crosses 30 degrees and you can see the red LED is on. Interested in developing your own embedded IoT project using EdgeX? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of this project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.